Markets went in for a facelift, but it didn't hold. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard. It's Bubbas Daily Update, and wow, markets started off with a rip your face off rally, and they went into the cosmetic surgeon, and the whole lift just fell down and down to their knees as the markets are now down on the day. Really quite the reversal. I thought the rally was really a joke to begin with. I actually texted out this afternoon that I thought that it would be a great spot to sell, but the volume was so light I was afraid to get involved in front of it. But again, look at what's happening. Down we came, the market just completely fell apart, and you can look for whatever reason you want. We've talked about this, the highs are in, these rallies are gonna fail, and it just failed a little bit faster than we expected, and I think that's more important. I think that the key things to have looked at today, the bonds reversed much before the markets did. The bonds were down, trading around 145, rallied all the way back to 146. That's a sign that there was some fear in the market. So there's a whole bunch of stuff going on. You know, you can blame it on the Facebook hearings, which I think they want to get regulation anyways to keep competition out. A lot of things going on. At the end of the day, the markets did fall apart, and that's what we would have expected. Obviously, I did not expect a 400-point or 300-point decline late in the day, but I did text out to my good friend who trades, and I said, what do you think? The S&P were up about 25. I said, what do you think if we can get down on the day? And of course, she said, wow, that would be great. I need that. And we almost got there. At the end of it here, we had the bonds rallied, okay? That was a sign. Crude oil was higher. I think that's just a great opportunity to sell it. Bitcoin was lower. Again, we're getting to a point where we're gonna start to wanna see some buying action here. I think that you're looking at the overall picture. Gold was a little bit higher, but it was really just very choppy all day. It's really in that big old range. Not a lot to do. But I think that the grains, in fear of all the trade wars and all the troubles, wheat was up about 18, 19 cents. Soybeans were up about 15 cents. Corn was up about 3 cents. Hogs are up almost a limit. Cattle did have a late day reversal, but it did close a little bit higher. Again, everything kind of as we have described it over the last couple of months that we really saw since January 29th. Again, it's not going to happen just because you say you want it to happen, but it will happen if you watch the charts. And I think that's the bigger case here. We've got a lot of things going on, and of course the markets don't look good. And if you figure in that we've already priced, and they keep telling me that we're going to have 16, 17, 18 times earnings are going to be great. Well, don't you think the market's already priced that in if it's going to be it? What can the market do to sustain a rally? And right now, I don't think anything. I think the market's going to correct. I think that's what we're looking for. And I think that's the overall program. So look for, again, we continue to look for opportunities to sell into the rallies. That's really what you're looking for. And that's really what we're going to see. I don't see any reason to believe that there's going to be anything good. I think you have a chance that there could be some very heavy selling this week. So we'll see how it plays out tomorrow. But for today, it was obvious to sell into that rally, and that's what you wanted to look for. Look for those opportunities. We saw a great late day sell-off, and of course, we continue to see and expect. Now, basically, one thing I would look for, if we gap higher tomorrow, I would be a seller into that gap. If they flush them early, you'd probably have to look to be a buyer for a quick short-term trade. That's really what we have to look for from a trading perspective. If they gap them open, that's a sell. If they tank them, that's probably a little bit of a buy just for a short-term trade. If they open flat, we'll have to see what they do. That's the way I see it. This is Bubbas Daily Update. Todd Hortwitz, and of course, always great to have you here. Remember, highschoolinvesting.com. If you'd like to help us out, go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Don't forget to get to the Bubbas Show every day from 4 to 5 Eastern. Tomorrow, Anthony Scaramucci, the Mooch, will be on the show talking to you and telling you what he's thinking. So in the meantime, don't forget to get to Bubbas Show tomorrow with Anthony Scaramucci. Everybody have a great day. This is Bubbas Daily Update. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow, everybody.